Do you think the news that Elon Musk might have sold Bitcoin holdings of Tesla true? Believe me, this is the $1 million question everybody's asking. If it is true, then it is like a negative news for Bitcoins in the short term. Who knows what happens in the long term as it is an evolving story. In this video, I will try to throw some light on this burning topic, Tesla sold Bitcoins. Please watch this video till the very end as I will share my perspective if there is some background between Elon and Bitcoins, why Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoins, why he allowed customers to buy vehicles from Tesla with Bitcoins, why he stopped these purchases now and possible reasons behind it, Elon's latest tweets about Bitcoins, ambiguity if they have sold all or partial Bitcoin holdings, and much more. Hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel SunnySnippets. Here I try to make videos that affect a common man financially. If you are new to this channel, please smash that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm and it will be highly appreciated. Please feel free to write in the comment section after watching this video as it will help me improve my content and your feedback is very valuable to me. If there is one famous supporter of digital currency, it is Elon Musk of Tesla, to be very specific, Bitcoins. He has always been on the forefront of these groundbreaking, disruptive technologies which are often ahead of times when they were launched, like PayPal that he co-founded long time ago, has made Tesla a household name as it is a pioneer in electric vehicles, SpaceX who send rockets and humans to space, the Boring Company which does underground rapid transit, or for that matter, Neuralink. So it came as shock to nobody when he started supporting Bitcoins as they are known to be disruptive in banking space. Early this year, Tesla announced in an SEC filing that it has bought $1.5 worth of Bitcoins. They even went one step further when they announced that they will start accepting Bitcoins as payment method for Tesla's products. The reason given at that time was Bitcoin holdings will give them more flexibility, diversification of cash, and thus allowing them to maximize return on billions of dollars Tesla has. All this looked reasonable at that time. As a result, Tesla became the first major corporation to start accepting digital currency. As a result, the value of Bitcoin went through the roof. There was a school of thought his such a vocal support of Bitcoins might have helped Bitcoin price to go up so rapidly. Some time ago, Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla is suspending the use of Bitcoins for buying Tesla's vehicles. Naturally, all of a sudden this came as a big surprise to many as not long time ago he was the biggest supporter of Bitcoins. So people wondered what happened. This resulted in sudden drop in value of Bitcoin in the stock market as there was a huge sell-off. According to some estimates, more than $365 billion of market cap of these digital assets were wiped out as a result of Tesla's decision. There are a lot of theories behind it, but one school of thought is citing environmental concerns. We all know that mining digital currency, including Bitcoin, uses a lot of energy. On top of that, people are not sure if this energy is from a renewable source or not. Some of the other experts are of the opinion that Tesla CEO Elon Musk was under a lot of pressure to stop supporting Bitcoins. A tweet from Elon Musk cleared the air why and what was the reason behind all of this, and I quote, "Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoins. We are concerned about the rapidly increased use of fossil fuel for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction." Close quote. So as expected, this tweet sent ripples in the Bitcoin space. The digital currency has for many years alarmed experts about the level of energy required by miners. One expert has come up with a figure that Bitcoin has a carbon footprint comparable to that of New Zealand, which produces about 37 megatons of carbon dioxide annually, which is about 78 terawatt hours. While some other researchers have shown a much larger carbon footprint of about 110 terawatt hour, which is more than the entire energy consumption of Netherlands. No matter which way you spin it, there is a lot of energy being used by Bitcoins, which according to a research done at Cambridge is about 0.5% of the total global energy consumption, which is not a very good news for environmentally friendly consumers. That might be the reason why Musk is trying to delink Bitcoin from Tesla, since his primary objective is to support sustainable use of energy for transportation and it defeats the purpose. There is so much back and forth about the news if Tesla had sold or maybe selling the rest of Bitcoin holding, sending the price of cryptocurrency down. According to another tweet by the name of Mr. Whale, and I quote, Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of heat Elon Musk is getting, I won't blame him. Elon Musk replied, and I quote, Indeed. Now people started speculating and the price of Bitcoin dropped 8% in value the same day. As there were different interpretations about what has exactly happened with Tesla's holdings, I believe everything will be clear in the next quarter when they declare their holdings and financials. Some experts are even saying that he should not have bought Bitcoins at the first place. In my humble opinion, one of the major effects on Tesla having Bitcoin holding is a negative one, as now Tesla may be directly linked with the price of Bitcoin, which is a very volatile asset. I think Tesla is not the only factor in sell-off of Bitcoins, but there are many things in play too. Whatever may be the reason, but there is a massive drop in the price of Bitcoin in a week. As you can see from this chart, the price of Bitcoin fell from a high of $58,000 to about $37,000 on the day of recording in a span of less than a week. This is a fall of about 36% in a very short period of time, maybe one of the main reasons why I think Bitcoin will not replace the fiat currency as it is too volatile. In this next chart on May 19th, it fell to about $30,000 intraday, which is about 50% drop from its weekly high. This is what I call it money destruction on a massive scale. The big problem with such speculative investment is that when price starts to fall dramatically, there are a lot of margin call, which puts additional pressure on the price that even falls even more. Do I think this is the end of Bitcoin or other digital assets? Definitely not. But one thing looks very clear as evident from its past fluctuations, that it is going to be a bumpy ride for such investments. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing. I'm just a common Joe making random videos on YouTube, so please do your own research, which is very important. This is my take on the topic Tesla sold Bitcoins. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing to it. Please feel free to write in the comment section about the topic I have touched based on today. And I would urge you to write if you want me to make videos about any specific topic. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video on your own channel, SunnySnippets.